Hi there, you're watching Market Glance, an overview of the top stories which may affect your trades as reported by investing.com and brought to you by Dukascopy TV. The Aussie fell sharply in Asia on Monday as China's official manufacturing index came in weaker than expected. That's right, China's official manufacturing activity in November came in at 50.3, which is in expansion territory, but lower than the 50.6 expected and compared to 50.8 in October. Aussie dollar US dollar changed hands at 0.8438, down 0.78% after the data, while dollar yen traded at 118.95, up 0.30%. In the week ahead, investors will be focusing on the outcome of a policy meeting of the ECB on Thursday, which is to be followed by the US jobs report for November on Friday. Central banks in the UK, Canada and Australia are also to hold policy setting meetings next week, so stay with us to find out how the markets react. Next up today, gold prices tumbled to a two-week low on Friday as a steep decline in global oil prices and a broadly stronger US dollar dampened the appeal of the precious metal. On the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold futures for February delivery touched a session low of $1,164 a troy ounce, the weakest level since November 14th. On the week, gold prices declined $22.20 or 1.85%, the first weekly loss in 3 weeks. It could be a busy week for the yellow metal. Swiss voters rejected a referendum requiring their central bank to hold a portion of its assets in gold. And later in the week, investors will be keeping a keen eye out for those US jobs figures. Oil futures plunged to levels not seen in more than 4 years on Friday, after the Organisation of the Petroleum Exporting Countries decided not to cut output at the conclusion of its highly anticipated meeting. On the New York Mercantile Exchange, crude oil for delivery in January tumbled $7.54 or 10.23% on Friday, to end the week at $66.15 a barrel. OPEC said Thursday that it would keep its official production target unchanged at 30 million barrels a day, disappointing hopes the oil cartel would lower output to support the market. The decision wasn't necessarily unexpected, but what did strike the markets by surprise was the news that the organisation would meet again until June 2015. Investors had been hoping for a keen eye to be kept on price fluctuations. As mentioned, in the week ahead, the US is to release its jobs report for November on Friday as market players attempt to gauge the strength of the world's biggest economy and its impact on the Federal Reserve's monetary policy. Well, that's all for today's Market Glance. Thank you for watching and see you next time.